Hello, my name is Ulrich Roller and I'll explain the final presentation for my project. Okay, first off, we have my proposal, which is self-explanatory through the rest of the presentation. So I'll start with the block diagram. First off, I have 4 inputs: soil, DHT11, light dependent resistor and the flow meter. The outputs is the relay module and the 2 LCD displays. The relay module controls the pump, bulbs and fans. Okay. Thirdly is my schematic diagram. First off, my whole project is powered by a 12 volt power supply, which then gives power to 2 5 volt regulators, which powers the circuit. My circuit composes of 2 LCD displays, a LDR, a DHT11, a moisture sensor, a flow meter, a relay module, and the resistor for the LDR. Okay, fourthly is my flowchart. It starts, the inputs and outputs is initialized, and it displays a very nice message to say whose project it is. Okay, and then the first test begins with the flow meter. It tests the frequency. If it's above 0, it will display how much is the flow rate and how much water is passing. And if there's no change, then it will continue with the test. It will first test the temperature. If it's below 25, it will either turn on or turn off a bulb depending on the input. And the third test is the temperature that is above 30 degrees. It will either turn on or off a fan. Okay, the fourth test is the humidity. If it is below 20, it will turn on a bulb near a water source, and if it's not, it will turn off the bulb near the water source. And lastly, it will display the humidity and temperature on the LCD display. Okay, then lastly, the LDR will be tested. If it is above 900, it simulates night, so it will just continue testing. And if it is not above 900, it will test the soil moisture sensor, and that will activate, either turn on the pump or turn off the pump depending on the input, and then it will continue the whole time. Okay, this is my PCB. I've designed it such that my inputs are at the ends, as you can see here. Okay, and finally, this is my final product. I've cut in a hole. Okay, so this is my project. It composes of the inputs, which is the LDR, the DHT11 flow meter, and the moisture sensor. The outputs are the 2 LCD displays and the relay module that controls the pump, the bulbs, and the fan. Okay, so let me just put it on for you so you can see the display message. It will show for 3 seconds and then go to normal conditions. Okay, let me just first off test the temperature and the humidity as well by turning on a blow dryer. Okay, as you can see, the temperature is at 40 degrees, 46, 47 degrees. The humidity is 18%. Humidity should be at above 20, so I'm going to put a damp towel next to it. And as you can see, the bulb near the water source has gone off. Okay, temperature, I'm going to take an ice pack and put it next to the back of the DHT11. Okay, meanwhile, I'll test the moisture sensor. It is at the moment in wet soil, so if I plug it out, the pump will go on. Okay, and if I put it back, the pump will go off. Okay, and then let me test night conditions by covering the LDR and then plucking out, then it will not go on. And when it becomes light again, it will go on. And when it becomes dark, it will go off. Okay, and I'll place that back. Okay, the temperature is at 35 degrees at the moment. It should be below 30. Okay, there you can see it's 30, so it's turned off. Okay, lastly I will test the flow meter by taking a pipe and blowing in this direction. So I'm starting to blow now. As you can see, it displays the amount, how fast it is going, and then the total of liters that is passed. At the moment it is not calibrated correctly, but I'm just showing the operation principles. Okay, this is the back of my my project. As you can see the LCD display and all the outputs, and this is the relay module, and this is my DHT11 that is also on a Vero board with the LDR. Side is basically my power supply, the Vero board with the Arduino and the relay module, and the two LCD displays. And that is in total my project.